How to change your email on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your email on TurboTax. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to turbotax.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. By entering your phone number, email, or user ID in the provided box, click on the sign in button and on the next page, enter your password and click on continue. After logging in, click on the Edit Account button located at the bottom left of the page, and this will take you to a new page. Click on the Sign In and Security tab on the left side, and under the email address, click on Edit, and enter your new email address and confirm by retyping it in the next field. Once you've done that, click on Save, and your email address for your TurboTax account will be updated shortly. So I hope you found this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.